Hey guys, I'm excited to be doing this today. I'm gonna be cooking cheesy pepperoni pizza bites. So remember, when we start cooking, the first thing we should do is make sure our kitchen surface is clean. So I will do that by spraying some disinfecting spray and get some paper towels and clean the surface. I need to make sure my hands are clean. So I will wash my hands. And remember, it's important to wash your hands for 20 seconds. You can do that by singing a song, or you can just practice counting. So, and I'm counting in my head. Now, the next thing that you need to do is look at your ingredients and pull them all out so you can be prepared when you're making things. You're not running back and forth across the kitchen. So here I have my recipe. It calls for biscuits in a can, melted butter, so here's I have squeezed butter. I'm gonna have to melt it. I'll do that over the stove while we're doing this. Because my oven is also my microwave. So I have a microwave oven combo, so I can't heat up my butter. So I'll just put some. It says it wants 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm just gonna do a lot of butter. And I'll start melting that on my stove top. And the next ingredient is garlic powder. These are all ingredients that you might have at your house. They're pretty basic ingredients. The next ingredient is parsley and pepperonis. And it says pepperonis cut into small pieces. I found mini pepperonis at the store, so I'm going to use that instead. And then shredded mozzarella cheese. So, now that I have all of my ingredients out, I can get started. The first instruction says to preheat your oven to 425. So, I already preheated my oven. I don't know if y'all can hear the beeping, but that's my oven telling me it's ready. Then it says cut each biscuit into 4 equal pieces and place them in a large bowl. Okay, so I have all those cut up, and let's put them in a big bowl. You want to make sure the bowl is big, so when you're stirring it, all of your ingredients aren't falling out. So this looks like a big enough bowl, I think. Put those in the bowl, and then it says pour the melted butter, garlic powder, the parsley, pepperoni pieces, and mozzarella cheese, and toss evenly. So now it looks like my butter is just about melted. So I can make sure I turn off my stove that I accidentally spilled, and I'm gonna put that in there too. As long as it's not too much, so we're not wasting anything. Okay. And then it says to toss evenly to combine. So I'm going to get my spatula, my rubber spatula, and mix it up until it's evenly. So evenly means all of the pieces look like they all have butter on them, and all the pepperonis are mixed all the way around. They're not all just one side. And you can just mix that up for a couple seconds, maybe 10 seconds, 10 to 30 seconds. So, looks like it's multiplication. I know this is 12 by looking at it because I know 3, 1, 2, 3 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 12. So lightly greased means you get like the cooking spray. Right here, you get this cooking spray, and you're not gonna spray a ton. You're just gonna kind of go over it, and you do this so that your food doesn't stick. Because that would be really sad if you worked so hard on making these and then they got all stuck to the pan. Okay, and now evenly put them amongst. So I'll just maybe get a couple. There we go. I put 3 of the biscuits in that. You could probably also, and then it says bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. So now I will open my oven. This is what they look like right now. Are you ready to see how they change? I'm going to cook them for 10 to 12 minutes. I'll start off with 10 minutes. Okay, and we'll see how they look when they come out. While the muffins are cooking, that is the perfect time to start cleaning your mess up. So yeah, that's a major part of cooking is if you're gonna cook, you have to make sure you clean up your mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and close up all these packages and make sure I put these in the right spot. So both of these are gonna go in the refrigerator. And then my dry goods, like the herbs and seasoning and spray, go into the pantry. And then I have like some of the plastic tops and this from the biscuits. I'm gonna put that in the trash can. And then I'm gonna put everything into the sink so I can clean it, wash it. I didn't use these, so I can put these away. Start cleaning them. So here we go. I'm gonna wash the dishes now. You want to get the water a little warm, not too hot, because I don't want you to burn yourself. I'm also going to move my computer so I don't get it wet. And if you get technology wet, some of y'all might know it will break. Or you could electrocute yourself, so just going to be safe and move that out of the way. And then you'll want to make sure you clean your surface again. I'm getting my disinfecting spray and cleaning my surface now that I'm finished. And that way, when you're done, when your food comes out of the oven, you don't have to worry about cleaning. You're already done cleaning, so you're able to just enjoy eating your food that you just worked very hard on making. The final step on my recipe says that you can use marinara sauce as dipping sauce. So that's just like spaghetti sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a bowl out, a little bowl, and I'm gonna pour some marinara sauce in here. So here's my marinara sauce. Just regular spaghetti sauce. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little bit into this bowl. So that way, it'll be all ready for me when. And now I got this out of my pantry because it was the first time I opened it. But now that I've opened it, I have to put it in the refrigerator so it stays fresh. There's about 3 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and I'll turn it back on when I pull them out. Okay, it's time to pull them out of the oven. I'll show you as I pull them out. I'm gonna be very safe. I'm gonna use my oven mitts. Sometimes oven mitts fit all the way on your hand or they might look like this, right? But I'm gonna use my little ones because that's what I like to use. So, as long as they cover the part that you're picking up, I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna very carefully pull this out. And I'm gonna put it right on my stove. Look at those, they look delicious. I'll bring the camera over so you can see them up close. Gotta take it out of my little, my sister calls it my TikTok stand. But look at those. OMG, those look so delicious. Before I eat them though, what do I need to do? I need to let them cool so I don't burn myself. So in a couple minutes, I am going to pull them out. Let them cool on a plate, and then I am going to dig in. I'm so excited to try them. And I hope you get to try them too. Okay, and here they are ready to be tasted. I'm so excited. Remember I poured my marinara in another bowl. And which one do I want? I think I want to try this one right here. And it just pulls right apart. Oh, look at that. It looks delicious. Still a little steamy, but I'm gonna try it anyways. I'm gonna dip it. That's really good. I hope y'all are able to try these at home. And if you do, I'd love for you to send me a video or a picture of how they turned out. Are you eating them? Look, my dog is here. That's Buddy. Say hi, Buddy. He's making sure that I'm not making a mess and he's cleaning up after me on the floor. So, but anyways, I hope y'all get to try them. Super easy, cheesy, pepperoni, pull apart bread. They're delicious. Let me know if y'all have any questions. I'll attach the link to the recipe on the email. Okay, bye-bye.